Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to take a leap over to our other videos. Today, we're diving into something exciting. Lynx, the new framework that's making waves in the mobile developer world. Some are even calling it the React native killer. But is it really? Let's break it down and see what Lynx is all about. Let's get started. So what exactly is Lynx? Lynx is a modern, open-source framework for building cross-platform mobile applications. It's designed to be fast, lightweight, and highly performant. Unlike React Native, which uses JavaScript, Lynx is built on Dart, the same language behind Google's Flutter. This gives it a strong foundation in terms of performance and developer experience. One of Lynx's standout features is its native-like performance. It compiles directly to native code, which means your apps run smoother and faster compared to traditional hybrid frameworks. Plus, it comes with a rich set of pre-built components and tools that make development a breeze. Now, let's compare Lynx to React Native. React Native has been the go-to framework for cross-platform development for years, and for good reason. It's mature, has a massive community, and integrates seamlessly with JavaScript ecosystems. But Lynx is here to challenge that dominance. First, performance. Lynx's direct compilation to native code gives it an edge over React Native's JavaScript bridge, which can sometimes cause bottlenecks. Second, developer experience. Lynx leverages Dart, which is known for its simplicity and robustness. If you're already familiar with Flutter, picking up Lynx will feel natural. Third, community and ecosystem. This is where React Native still has the upper hand. With years of development, React Native has a vast library of third-party tools and plugins. Lynx is still growing, but it's catching up fast. So, is Lynx a React Native killer? Not yet, but it's definitely a strong contender. So, is Lynx the future of cross-platform development? It's definitely a step in the right direction. With its focus on performance and developer experience, it has the potential to shake up the industry. But whether it can truly dethrone React Native remains to be seen. What do you think? Are you excited to try Lynx, or are you sticking with React Native for now? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.